Greetings, the Doll Detective here. Welcome back to my channel. I filmed the introduction and everything, and the camera kind of fell in a really awkward place, so I'm just having to re-film this. But yeah, so I ordered something off Vinted, and it's not Monster High, oddly enough, even though it comes in a Monster High box. I really wanted it because I saw it for a good price. So it's some Barbies. Hopefully I can do this without toppling the camera again and basically exposing myself. Well, face reveal anyway, which I don't really want to do quite now at the moment, but... So yeah, can you guys tell what it is already? The Addams Family, dun, 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 Certificate of Authenticity. It's like a Barbie and Ken, but they're like Gomez and Morticia as like Barbie dolls, which is so cute. Look how cute this tape is. I feel like we're going to be taking Gomez out first. He's got some weight to him. He's got a lot of weight to him. Wait, how cool is this Gomez doll though? Like, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And in good condition. That's pretty good condition as well. With the shoes. I believe this is his stand. Just plain Mattel stand. I wonder if you just... Do you kind of put them... Shove... It's kind of stiff. Oh, right. I wonder if I just... I wonder where's Ken's waist. Where's Ken's waist? Did that do the trick? Kind of. So just gonna put him back here. And then we'll get out Morticia. Love this. I think this is a stand. These are quite solid. I think because it's an old release. So pretty solid. Got a bit of styrofoam here. No worries. It's pretty well wrapped actually. Oh wow, look how cool Morticia is. Wow. Very cool. It's got like a ring here, like a necklace. Her necklace is kind of spun round. And then I believe the seller said that it was within the dress. The shoes. I don't see it. That's interesting. Maybe it's in here. It said it's inside her dress. Oh, it's right here. I could feel it. I'm literally like so silly. Get it out like here. These are her shoes. Look how cute. I think she has the posable, bendable legs, but I can't tell. Yeah, she does have the the bendable legs, which is cool. Just standard Barbie articulation. Just fine. I'm probably going to secure those with elastic bands later, but and wow, they really are prone to fall off. I'm just going to put them down here. Look how cute! Oh my god, they're so cute. Tell me they aren't so adorable. I can't post, but you get what I'm trying to say. This is so cute. Like, these are really well made as well. Not the shoes, but like the dress and the fabric. I can't work out what year they were released. They'll probably say on the certificate. Let me just see here. There seems to be more than one thing in this. I wonder if we can get it open. I wonder what there is. Oh, I wonder what this is. How many Barbie dolls do you have in your collection? Please complete the information below and return it to us. Your name will then be on file as an official doll owner. How long have you been collecting? How much do you spend? This is interesting. Wow. I've never seen this before. And it says the Addams Family. Barbie Collectibles El Segundo, California. Interesting. I've never seen that before. This is obviously the certificate. I think it's from 2000, which is wow. That was a while ago. Definitely older than me. Quite literally, these dolls are. 2-year limited warranty. Interesting. Okay. Alright then, that's interesting. I've never seen that before with a doll certificate, but I guess that's cool because it makes it official. Yeah, I got these for like 100 on Vinted, and I think that's a good price. I don't know, I don't really collect like collectible Barbies. I don't really like have many Barbies. Like the only Barbies I have are like you can literally see like the only Barbies I have are like up there, like the 65th and like the Harley Quinn Barbie and the Poison Ivy Barbie. So I don't really like collect that many Barbies, to be fair. I know you only have like the movie Barbie, the one where she wears like the picnic dress, the pink picnic dress, the plaid picnic dress, and the Ken doll. I only have them. I have a very small Barbie collection because I'm very picky with Barbies, but I guess when it comes to like the Addams Family or anything like the Addams Family or Wednesday related, I like keep it because like I like try and get it because it's cool, especially when it comes to dolls. Let's see what she looks like with Wednesday. What they look like with Wednesday. My Monster High doll. Let's put my Monster High doll in the middle. Look how small my Monster High doll is compared to these Barbies. And I just put the classic car in from the show with thing on the top. I mean, that's kind of iconic. Like, that's pretty cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!